Welcome back to AbemQuiz. Can you pass this human body quiz? Let's get started with 30 exciting questions about the human body. Let's go for the easy level. How many teeth does a human have? 18, 28, or 32? Most adults have 32 teeth, including 4 wisdom teeth. Guess the organ. The brain, the pancreas, or the stomach? It's the brain. What's the longest bone in the human body? The tibia, the radius, or the femur? The femur. What do bones need to grow? Sugar, iron, or calcium? Calcium. You can find it in milk. Guess the organ. The liver, the heart, or the bladder? The heart. What are these teeth called? The canines, the incisors, or the molars? The incisors. Guess the organ. The gallbladder, the kidneys, or the lungs? The lungs. How many bones make up the human body? An adult has 206 bones. Medium level. Guess the organ, the eye, the ovary, or the ossicle? The eye. Neurons are used to transmit information, produce energy, or circulate blood. To transmit information. How many liters of blood does an adult have on average? 5, 10, or 15 liters? About 5 liters. Which of these is not one of our 5 senses? Hearing, smell, or sleep? Sleep. What's another name for the scapula? The spine, the elbow, or the clavicle? The clavicle. Guess the bone. The femur, the tibia, or the ulna? The tibia. Hard level. What is insulin used for? To regulate sugar levels, cause hiccups, or put the body to sleep? To regulate sugar levels. How many pairs of ribs do we have? 12, 14, or 16? 12 pairs. Guess the bone. The kneecap, the mandible, or the coccyx? The coccyx. Which protein gives blood its red color? Hemoglobin, plasma, or betadine? Hemoglobin. What do the letters IQ stand for? Undefined quotient, intelligence quotient, or immature quotient? Intelligence quotient. Where are the lumbar located? In the belly, the lower back, or the legs? In the lower back. How many liters of saliva do we produce each day? 1.5, 3, or 5 liters? About 1.5 liters. What type of blood does a universal donor have? A plus, O negative, or AB plus? O negative. Impossible level. Which term refers to fat? Carbohydrates, lipids, or glucose? Lipids. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid, natural dehydrated acid, or neutral distilled analysis? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Guess the organ. The trachea, the stomach, or the small intestine? The trachea. What's the smallest bone in the human body? The stapes, the phalanx, or the radius? The stapes. It's inside the ear. Which bone protects the brain? The spine, the skull, or the sternum? The skull. What gas do we exhale during breathing? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, or nitrogen? Carbon dioxide. How many chromosomes does a human have? 26, 36, or 46? 46. That's 23 pairs. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.